Hey guys, what's up? Jeff here again, to your fitness in the right direction, and today I want to go with you guys something that I don't think is addressed too often within the YouTube fitness community, and it's in regards to what's really lacking with crunches. And I've compared crunches to sit-ups before, and I do think crunches are a superior exercise to sit-ups. In fact, I talked about that in the video I put out just yesterday. Sit-ups, for one, they're not an ab exercise, they're a hip flexor exercise, and they place a lot of stress on your lower back. So I think sit-ups are a bad exercise overall, and I think crunches are much better because actually they're in fact an ab exercise. But what is really lacking with crunches? What is really lacking with them? The thing that's really lacking about them that people don't talk about is that they're too easy. They're actually too easy of an exercise for many people, and they're not challenging. For me, I could just crank them out one after the other and I don't even really feel it unless I do so many of them, but by then it's kind of a waste of time. But what can you really do to make them a lot more challenging? You can do two things. You can pretty much do two things to make them more challenging. One thing you can do is you can add an unstable surface when you do the crunch, because when you add an unstable surface in, like an exercise ball, it's going to make your core activate a lot more due to that unstable surface, and you need to control your body much more. So if you get some exercise ball, you lay on it, you're going to have to control yourself more, so it's going to be more work for your abs. And another thing you can do is you can use weighted resistance. So you can take something like a plate right here, you hold that plate while you're on the exercise ball, and you do the crunch with that weighted plate. It's going to make that even more challenging. So by doing those two simple things, you can make the crunch an exercise that's going to be much more challenging for you, and you're going to get more out of it. So that's pretty much my quick video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This has been Jeff on some more orienting your fitness in the right direction. If you liked the video, I'd really appreciate it if you thumbs up, commented, subscribe to our channel. I'm going to do more videos on actual fitness YouTubers. I'm going to be talking about them. I think it's going to be much more relevant. So look forward to that. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later soon.